Hi guys, we're back with a new lesson where we will talk about another very exciting type of campaign. This time we will cover TikTok ads. Unless you've been living under a rock, all of you probably heard of TikTok and all the buzz around this new social network. With over 800 million monthly active users, you can't afford to ignore TikTok advertising, especially if you're looking to sell products to customers under 30 years old. Keep on watching this video to understand exactly how to advertise on TikTok. Why use TikTok? Thanks to its 800 monthly active users, TikTok has become one of the most popular social media, overtaking LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and Snapchat. TikTok is the sixth most popular app globally based on the number of monthly active users, and its users span 150 countries worldwide. 63.5% of TikTok users in the United States are under the age of 29, and 51.8% of these make over $75,000 per year. Do these stats sound appealing to you? Let's see how to start your first TikTok campaign. Start advertising on TikTok. To start advertising on TikTok, you need a TikTok business account. So visit tiktok.com/business and click on Get Started. Insert all the requested information and click Next. Create your account, inserting the last info, and it is done. Once you have submitted your information, you will see a new TikTok dashboard. Add your TikTok pixel to Shopify. As we have already seen with all other social media, you need to install a script on your website to track the success of your campaign. To copy the pixel code from the TikTok Ads Manager, click Event in the Library tab, choose Website Pixel and click Manage. Click Create Pixel. Name your pixel and choose Manually Add Pixel Code. Click Next. Copy the pixel code. Then open your Shopify account and click on Themes under Online Store. Click the Actions drop-down menu on your theme. Click on Edit Code, select Tem.Liquid. Pass the TikTok pixel code on the top of the header section below the first tag head. Ensure that you pass the pixel code correctly. Altering your pixel or theme code could affect the pixel from being installed correctly. Click Save and go to your settings page. At this point, go to the settings and click Checkout. Pass the TikTok pixel code in the Additional Scripts text box. Click Save. Now let's test it to make sure you installed it correctly. Go back to your TikTok Ads Manager pixel page. Click Download to check the code installation. Download the TikTok Pixel Helper in Chrome Web Store. Go back to your Shopify site, click the TikTok Pixel Helper plugin to make sure Pixel was installed correctly. That's it, you've installed the TikTok Pixel on your Shopify store. Now you're ready to start tracking users' behavior on your site by creating events. To do that, after creating your pixel, click on Next to go to the Create Event page. Select an industry template to suit your business sector. Under e-commerce event, you can define the following series of events to help you track different user actions on your website. The e-commerce event available are user registration, a user registers on your website, product details page browse, a user browse merchandise, add to cart, a user selects and adds an item to the shopping cart, place order, a user submits an order, complete payment, a user completes a purchase, build a TikTok campaign. Now that we have connected our store to TikTok, we can start our campaign. TikTok offers several options: reach, traffic, app install, video views, conversion. We will choose conversion. Name our campaign, choose a budget considering that the minimum spend is $50 and click Next. Then we will create your first ad group. Start by choosing your ad group's ad placements. To get the best results, you can let TikTok choose placements automatically. This will allow your ad to appear on TikTok partner apps. They include Buzz Video, Top Buzz, Babe, and News Republic. Next, configure the audience targeting. TikTok allows you to target audiences by general demographics, interests, and devices. Once your audience targeting is complete, you can configure the budget and schedule for your ad group. You may be able to customize the bidding and optimization of your ad budget spend. The higher you bid, the more likely your ad will be seen by your target audience over your competitors' ads. Once your ad group is configured, you can upload your first ad. We need first to upload a video or images. Remember, if you choose images, TikTok will group them into a video for you. Once you have finished creating your ad, you can use TikTok's ad preview tool to see how your ad will look on mobile devices. You may continue to create more ads and ad groups for your campaign. After you have completed your ad campaign setup, you can submit your campaign for review. Monitor your campaign performances. Once TikTok approves your ad campaign and it begins to run, you can monitor your ad's performance in your ads dashboard. Use filters within campaign reports to drill down into your data. Learn how your ads are performing based on specific dimensions and metrics. These filters include ad creative, audience demographic, device type, and placement. And that's it! I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you like this lesson, please leave us a 5-star review.